Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace the hazard light switch, you know, the emergency light switch right here. And traction control switch on Dodge Charger or Dodge Magnum, guys. We'll show you how to do that now. Stay with us and we'll demonstrate how to remove and how to replace that thing. Alright guys, so first what we need to do, you need to get a prying plastic tube, and there is a couple clips here and there. We'll show you how to remove the trim piece now. There is a couple here as well. Just don't push too much on one side because you'll crack it. So you just need to go a little bit here, a little bit there. One is right here, exactly in the middle. Okay, like that. This one is out, and on top there is a couple more. Okay, like that. So we remove those now. And next, guys, stay with us. So we'll show you what else you need to do here. You need to make sure you put the gear shift in drive. Put the e-brake on so you don't roll anywhere like we did it for a little bit. Okay, like that. Still messing with it. And next what we need to do, in order to remove it, guys, there is a couple wires here that hold the switches. Okay, so we will need to disconnect those. Okay, right here. Let me turn the light on quick so we can show you better that light. Okay, those wires, you need to press down on it once we remove them. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so that's the light. The wires for the hazard lights right here. You need to press down on that thing. Okay, like that, and pull. And next, what you need to do right here. Okay, next you need to remove those wires just the same way. You press down on the notch and pull them out. Just be careful when you pull, don't grab them just for the wires to pull. Sometimes they will be stuck pretty good. Okay, that big wire, that red thing right here, it needs to come up first. Okay, we'll show you. Oh, trying to get a good view here and we can't. Okay, right there, you can see, and now we can push down and pull the wires. Okay, like that, and we have the whole assembly out of here now, you can see. Okay guys, next thing that we need to do, with a very little socket right here, 4 or 5 millimeter, we don't have one, but we use 532s. We need to remove 2 screws. Okay, you can see where they're located. And that's the only thing holding there now. Okay, we're about to pull it out. Okay, careful not to lose them. Okay guys, we pulled it out. Okay guys, so that's how you guys remove and replace. You can see the hazard light switch, emergency light switch on a Dodge Charger, okay, or Dodge Magnum, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, support our channel by subscribing so we can help more. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.